Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from True Linkswear, the all-day Ripstop men's golf shoes. Known for their ergonomic design and minimalist comfort, these shoes are making waves in the golfing community. Stick around as we break down what makes these shoes a standout choice for golf enthusiasts. The True Linkswear all-day Ripstop golf shoes are designed to prioritize natural comfort and functionality. They feature a durable polyester ripstop upper that's both water and wind resistant, perfect for varying weather conditions on the course. The ergonomic design ensures a snug fit, accommodating up to EE width comfortably. Let's delve deeper into what sets these shoes apart. First up, the materials. These shoes boast a 100% recycled polyester ripstop upper, which not only contributes to sustainability but also enhances durability. The sole is made from recycled EVA and natural gum rubber, providing excellent cushioning and traction on various terrains. Comfort is key in golf shoes, and True Linkswear delivers. With a renewable wool liner that regulates temperature and a transitional drop of approximately 6 mm. These shoes offer the support needed for long days on the course without compromising on style or performance. Tested and approved by professionals, the True Linkswear all-day Ripstop golf shoes excel in both comfort and performance. The rubber sole provides a stable base while the tread pattern ensures optimal grip during swings and walks across the green. Available in a sleek deep sea color with a lace-up closure, these shoes blend a minimalist aesthetic with functional design elements. Whether you're playing competitively or casually, they complement any golfing attire with ease. In conclusion, the True Linkswear all-day Ripstop golf shoes are a solid choice for golfers seeking comfort, durability, and style. From the eco-friendly materials to the ergonomic design and reliable performance, these shoes stand out as a top contender in the market. If you're looking to upgrade your golf footwear, definitely consider adding these to your gear. That wraps up our review of the True Linkswear all-day Ripstop golf shoes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about these shoes or if there's another product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.